Hi, good morning, friends. SSC GD exam mark test 1 general awareness. Let us discuss about the mark test general awareness points. So, next question is who amidst the following won the Nobel Prize in Science in two different disciplines? That is equal to who amidst the following won the Nobel Prize in Science. General awareness marks test. Who amidst the following won the Nobel Prize in Science? Two different disciplines. Answer is equal to option C, Madame Curie. That is option is equal to Madame Curie. That is equal to Madame Curie. Okay, Madame Curie. Next question. What was the exact constitutional position of the Indian Republic when the constitution was brought into force with effect from 26th January 1950? 26 January 1950. The effect of this is equal to the Sovereign Democratic Republic. Option B. Shall we go to the next question, ma? Who among the following are not appointed by the President of India? Or you understand? These are very, very important. Who among the following are not appointed by the President of India? Very, very GK important current affairs question, ma. Very, very important current affairs question. That is equal to Vice President. Option is equal to C, Vice Presidents. So, who among the following are not appointed by the President of India? Vice President appoint చేయలేము. President of India ki Vice President ను ఇన్వాల్వ్ చేయరు. ఎందుకు? గవర్నర్స్ ఆఫ్ స్టేట్స్ ఏ Chief Justice and Judges of High Court Judges and Chief Justice, as Chief Justice and Judges of Supreme Court. So, President of India ni appoint చేస్తారు. In the 13th Lok Sabha elections, in which of the following states did the ruling alliance won all the seats? So, ruling alliance win all the seats. So, in the 13th Lok Sabha elections, in which of the following states did the ruling alliance won all the seats? The Andhra Pradesh, Orissa, Haryana, Gujarat. That's option C is equal to Haryana. Option C is equal to Haryana. Next question. So, next fifth question. The gas used for artificial fruit ripening of green fruit is dash. పండ్లు మాగేయడాన్ని ఆ గ్రీన్ ఫ్రూట్ను పచ్చకాయలను మాగేయడానికి ఏ గ్యాస్ని యూజ్ చేస్తారు? దట్ ఈస్ ఆప్షన్ అసిట్లిన్. ఆప్షన్ బి అసిట్లిన్. వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. షల్ వి గో టు ద నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్? ఆర్ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్? సో ఆప్టిక్ ఫైబర్స్ ఆర్ యూజ్డ్ ఇన్ dash. So optic fibers are used in dash. CAT scan, X-rays, photos, ultrasound scan and endoscopy. That is option D. Shall we go to the next question? The maximum area under crops in India is used for the cultivation. There is economic bit. So general awareness of point is economic subject of bit. The maximum area under the crops in India is used for the cultivation of. The answer is equal to rice. Next question. Investment is equal to gross total of all types of physical capital assets. So gross total of all capital assets, investment is equal to, that is equal, answer is equal to option A. So gross total of all types of physical capital assets, that is equal investment. Option A. Shall we go to the next question? A federal structure for India was first put forward by the federal structure. That is federal structure first put forward by federal structure. That's Act of 1909, 1919, 1935, 1947. So answer is equal federal structure. The federal structure is equal to Act of 1935. Shall we go to the next question? Which writ is issued by a High Court or the Supreme Court to compel an authority to perform a function that it was not performing. Are understanding question? Writ of certiorari, writ of habeas corpus, writ of mandamus, writ of quo warranto. So option is equal to C, mandamus, writ of mandamus. So please carefully reading and understand the question and put the answer in examination point. Shall we go to the next question? Quantity of fresh air required for a man. Fresh air quantity of a fresh air required for a man. ఒక మనుషుల యొక్క మంచి గాలి ఎంత ఉంటుంది? సో ఆప్షన్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు బి, 1000 cubic feet of air for every 20 seconds. Every 20 seconds. Next, 12th question. The compact disk is a data storage system of the dash type. So a compact disk, the CD is the abbreviation of full form of that is a compact disk. Very very important. CD abbreviation, CD full form that is equal to compact disk. Is a data storage system of the dash type, magnetic type or optical type or electrical type or electromechanical type. Answer is equal to option A, that is equal to magnetic type. So compact disk is a data storage system of the type dash is equal to option A, magnetic type. Shall we go to the next question? A circular plate, a cube and sphere all made of the same material and having the same mass are heated to 300 degrees. That is 300 degrees is equal to sphere. Next question. Where does the oxygen that keeps us alive come from? That is equal to option A, carbon dioxide. Where does the oxygen that keeps us alive come from? That is a carbon dioxide. Option A. Next question. Who created a world record for the maximum number of dismissals in test cricket as a wicket keeper? Answer is equal to Ian Healy. Who created a world record for maximum number of decimals in test cricket as a wicket keeper? That is Ian Healy. Answer C. Shall we go to the next question, ma? Who invented optical fiber? So optical fiber. Optical fiber ni evaru kanugonnaru? Samuel Cohen, Narendra Kapani, Percy L. Spencer, T.H. Maima. The answer is equal to Samuel Cohen. Shall we go to the next question? ELISA test is employed to diagnose. A polio virus, B. AIDS antibodies, C. tuberculosis bacterium, D. cancer. Answer is equal to B, AIDS antibodies. That is equal to D. ELISA means ELISA is the result AIDS antibodies. Next, shall we go to the next question? Why excessive heating and repeated use of cooking oil is most undesirable? That is equal to most and that is cooking oil. The option is equal to answer B, carcinogenic substances like benzoyl or produced. So question number 19th. What is Obra known for? A new refinery, a new aluminum plant, a bird sanctuary, a thermal power station. Answer is equal to option is equal to D. Obra means option D, thermal power station. Obra known as thermal power station. Shall we go to the next question? What is NABARD is primary? That is equal to answer, that is equal to answer D. Shall we go to the next question? Where is the National Institute of Excellence in the field of information technology and allied sciences proposed to be set up? Answer B. Hyderabad. 22. The three elements most needed in common fertilizer. Option B. What was the ultimate goal of Mahatma Gandhi's Satyagraha? Purna Swaraj for India. Who the ratings of the Royal Indian Navy, 23rd February 1946. Option C. September 2019, Mahatma Gandhi began fast unto death in Yerwada jail against. Answer C. Communal Award of Ramaswamy MacDonald.